Welcome to the Chris&Teena Johnson project, and if you watched our former episode, you could have seen something about pineapples, and this time we wanted to show you something medicinal about pineapples.
Teena's dad says, take a break, smash the like button, subscribe, and write us a comment, what you liked or didn't like. Now back to the program. Thanks for your time.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tune.
The link on how to cut pineapples in 4 minutes is in the description. But you know that pineapples are so beneficial. They help against arthritic pain or just joint pain, any kind of pain because of the bromelain. But this one is even better.
Heard that
I'm
you
sure
can
you
make
have
some sort of tea out of it, and that can also help. Now, unless you're Filipino, this would not be something in your everyday life. So watch us as we make pineapple tea.
My friend Ling said that this is a recipe from her mom, so let's give it a try. So the complete peelings of the pineapple was boiled with some water, however much water you want to put in, 3 cups, 4 cups, and then you strain it and you basically drink the water. You can put honey in it or not. Let's give it a try. Let's drink it, the daredevil that we are. Here we go. Bottoms up.
Yummy!
Wow. Taste this, baby. This is pineapple tea.
What is that?
Pineapple tea.
What is it though?
It's pineapple peel. And everything else that's pineapple, you just boil it.
Nothing but pineapple peel in it?
Mm-hmm. That's all it is.
Come to find out it's more than this.
It's supposed to be healthy for like joint pain.
It's good.
I can recommend it. If I survive another episode, you know it's good.
Welcome to the crib. It's good.
So nothing gets wasted with your pineapple. Try this. Make some pineapple tea after you peel your pineapple and get rid of your joint pain. Let us know how it worked, if it didn't work, and how you liked it or
The
didn't
Chris
like it.
and
Thanks for
Teena
watching.
Johnson project.